Hi everyone. These days you must be hearing a lot about teleprompters. If you're following the US elections very closely, you might be hearing the mention of teleprompters almost day in and day out. So let's leave politics aside. But for the common person like you and me who are keen on doing YouTube videos, teleprompters are a great boon. Teleprompters cut down the production time for recording a video by so many fold, and therefore whether it is you want to record a discussion on coronavirus, present or discuss a product, or talk about a PowerPoint presentation, everywhere teleprompters are a great tool. I have recorded many tutorials on do-it-yourself teleprompters. I can discuss about teleprompters at length, but today I am going to just show you the construction of a do-it-yourself teleprompter. Right now I am reading from this teleprompter. The recording device is my Note 20 Ultra phone camera with the rear facing camera, and the prompting device is my previous Note 9 phone with the text enabled in it. The teleprompter app which I am using is Prompt Smart Pro. Now this teleprompter app is activated by your voice, so that as I sit and read in front of you, the text scrolls according to when I speak. So without delving into the details of teleprompter apps and all that, let me share with you how I made this. This is the teleprompter. It has an old wooden frame with its original glass piece intact. I just removed the back side of this photo frame and removed the photo inside. Of course, I have preserved the photo very carefully. For the bottom, I have cut out a wooden plank measuring the same size as this teleprompter and attach the two by two hinges at the back now. So when I open this teleprompter, it opens up to the desired angle of 45 degrees. I've cut out a sheet of black card paper and I've pasted it here to get a glass black background. So these are two wires or props made up of a cutout hanger. So I use this to keep the teleprompter open. So I just put it one inside on the other side. And one on the other side. So that's it. It's open now and it can record. So this is a frontal view of my teleprompter. I've kept it open. The design is very simple. There's a MDF board over here. There's a black chart paper pasted over here. This is the teleprompter part or the business part. It's an old wooden frame. The glass is original. The glass is attached at the back by these hinges to the bottom wooden frame. There are 4 photo hooks here. There's one here, one here, one here, and the other one here, the last one here. These 2 struts, this one and this one, are made from a hanger. They've been cut out. The bottom portion has been, the length is exactly what is required to keep the teleprompter, to keep the top portion open at an angle of 45 degrees. So this is the length exactly, and the bottom portion is bent forward and the top portion is bent backwards. So the teleprompter, this teleprompter is supported on this wooden plank, and this wooden plank is resting on a light stand through a hole here. This is the light stand, and the camera is mounted on this tripod here. This is a phone camera holder. From the tripod there is an extension arm which brings the phone camera holder forward, so that the phone camera holder can come forward and oppose the glass closer. So this is the tripod on which the phone camera is resting. You can use a DSLR camera also. Now I'm going to show you the visibility of the text in this teleprompter. Now the prompting device is this smartphone, and the teleprompter and the text is visible here. I'm using the Prompt Smart Pro app, and you can see the reflection of the text on the screen. So you can see now, as I read, you can see that the text is going to advance. Hi everyone, these days we hear a lot about teleprompters. Teleprompters are coming to the rescue of politicians. So you see, the text moves, the teleprompter is solid, it does the purpose, and it is made at no cost. So I hope you enjoyed this product. This should give you the encouragement to go ahead and build a teleprompter of your own. Go ahead and share a picture of it, or make a video out of it, make a presentation out of it, and post it and send me a link. I'll see you in the next video.